The ocean helps businesses like fishing and tourism grow, making more money. If the ocean is gone, it can hurt businesses, cause people to lose jobs, and make it harder to make money, affecting our well-being. Oceans foster diverse ecosystems, preserving genetic diversity and providing habitat for countless marine species. Their loss leads to mass extinctions, collapsing food webs, and ecosystem breakdown. Phytoplankton in oceans produce a significant portion of Earth's oxygen, vital for the survival of terrestrial and marine organisms. Without oceans, atmospheric oxygen levels decrease, threatening life. Coastal ecosystems act as natural barriers against storms and sea level rise, protecting human populations and infrastructure. Ocean loss results in increased coastal damage, population displacement, and habitat destruction. Oceans provide a crucial protein source for billions of people, addressing nutritional needs and ensuring global food security. Ocean disappearance leads to widespread hunger, malnutrition, and social unrest. The ocean drives economies globally through trade, shipping, tourism, and fisheries, sustaining millions of jobs and livelihoods. Ocean absence triggers economic recession, massive unemployment, and trade disruption. Oceans offer unique compounds for pharmaceuticals and medical research, contributing to healthcare advancements. Ocean loss limits medical progress and reduces treatment options for diseases and conditions. Oceans absorb and store carbon dioxide, mitigating climate change impacts by reducing greenhouse gas concentrations. Ocean absence accelerates climate change, causing severe weather events, rising sea levels, and habitat loss. The ocean holds cultural and recreational value, supporting tourism and cultural practices worldwide, enriching human lives. Without oceans, tourism disruption, loss of cultural heritage, and coastal communities challenges occur. Oceans provide a platform for scientific discovery, enabling a deeper understanding of Earth's complex systems and biodiversity. The lack of oceans hinders scientific progress, leaves knowledge gaps, and limits technological advancements. Ocean currents distribute heat, influencing global climate patterns, weather systems, and ocean productivity. Without oceans, climate disruptions, extreme temperatures, and unpredictable weather become prevalent. Oceans support intricate food webs, providing sustenance for marine species and maintaining ecological balance. Ocean loss leads to species extinction, food chain collapse, and ecosystem imbalances. Coastal ecosystems, such as mangroves and coral reefs, shield against coastal erosion and storm damage, preserving coastal communities. Ocean absence results in increased coastal erosion, flooding, and habitat loss, endangering human settlements. Oceans play a critical role in nutrient cycling, influencing nutrient distribution, and global ecosystems. Without oceans, nutrient imbalances and disruptions in food chains occur, affecting ecosystems worldwide. This offers resources like minerals, energy, and aquaculture, driving economic growth and innovation, and supporting livelihoods. Ocean absence results in economic recession, job losses, and hinders technological progress, affecting human prosperity. The ocean helps people learn about science and the environment. When we lose the ocean, it makes it hard for people to learn and care about these things, which can slow down progress in the future. Oceans control carbon in the air and help stop climate change. Without oceans, there's more carbon in the air, making climate change worse and causing more environmental problems. The ocean inspires artists and creators with its beauty, adding to our culture. When we lose the ocean, we lose a source of inspiration and cultural richness, which might slow down creativity and cultural growth. Oceans help fight climate change by soaking up a lot of carbon dioxide. If the oceans disappear, there would be more greenhouse gases in the air, making global warming worse and causing more climate problems. Coastal ecosystems protect against erosion, saving land and homes. Ocean loss means more erosion, risking coastal communities and economies. Oceans help world trade, making it easy to move things and support economies. If the oceans aren't there, it can mess up shipping, hurt trade, and cause job problems. The ocean is important to coastal communities, helping their traditions and culture. If the ocean goes away, it can harm their culture and make it harder to keep their traditions alive. Oceans help create Earth's land by moving things around underneath. If we lose the oceans, it can change how our continents look and affect the Earth's surface. The ocean can give us clean energy like wind and waves, helping us use clean power. If we lose the ocean, it makes it harder to use clean energy and makes us use more fossil fuels. Oceans do important jobs like cleaning water, storing carbon, and recycling nutrients, which help all life on Earth. If we lose the ocean, it messes up these jobs, affecting water, carbon, and nutrients, and harming ecosystems worldwide. Oceans bring countries together to protect nature and wildlife. If the ocean is gone, it's harder for countries to work together and protect nature, which can hurt animals and plants. Scientists use the ocean to learn about the climate and predict the weather. Losing the ocean makes it tough to study the climate and predict weather events, which can affect how we prepare for climate problems. Oceans have important minerals we use in factories and industries. If the ocean disappears, it's hard to get these minerals, which can cause shortages and economic problems. Oceans have special underwater areas with plants and creatures that are important for sea life and fishing. If we lose the ocean, these areas can get damaged, some species may die out, and it can affect our food supply. Oceans help us learn more about the sea and its creatures through science and technology. If we lose the ocean, it's harder to make discoveries and understand the ocean and its creatures. Coastal towns have special traditions linked to the ocean, like fishing and stories. If the ocean goes away, it changes these traditions, makes them less important, and affects how these towns see themselves. Oceans help shape the earth by creating coasts and islands. If we lose the ocean, it changes how the land looks and how Earth evolves. Oceans regulate global temperatures, ensuring a stable climate by absorbing and releasing heat. Without oceans, climate chaos ensues with extreme temperatures and unpredictable weather. The ocean is a key part of ocean science, helping us learn more about it and develop new technology. If we lose the ocean, it's harder to study and create new things, limiting what we know about the ocean and its importance. The ocean is a place to find new things and learn about creatures, environments, and land formations. If we lose the ocean, it's harder to explore, discover new things, and make scientific progress, affecting what we know and how we improve. The ocean helps countries work together to save sea creatures and their homes. If we lose the ocean, it makes it hard to protect these creatures, and some may die out, and their homes may get damaged. Oceans hold submerged historical and archaeological sites, preserving human history and cultural heritage. Ocean absence threatens these sites, leading to the loss of historical and archaeological knowledge and heritage. The ocean is important for scientists to study and learn about the Earth and its climate. If we lose the ocean, it's harder to do research, slowing down science and our ability to deal with environmental problems. The ocean helps clean up pollution and bad stuff from the environment. If we lose the ocean, it can make the environment worse, hurting water quality and both land and sea ecosystems. The ocean is crucial for shipping and moving things around the world. If the ocean disappears, it messes up shipping, causing problems in trade, the economy, and jobs. Plants like mangroves and salt marshes help stop the shore from wearing away, saving land and buildings. If we lose the ocean, more erosion happens, causing damage to property and buildings, which affects coastal towns and economies. Tourism in coastal areas depends on the ocean's beauty and fun activities, which help businesses and people make a living. If the ocean is gone, tourism goes down, people lose jobs, and coastal towns have a tough time economically. The ocean makes our planet's land interesting with things like deep holes, underwater mountains, and ridges. If we lose the ocean, it changes how the land looks and what's on it. The ocean is very important to coastal communities, and it's a big part of their culture and how they live. If the ocean is gone, it can make their culture weaker, change their traditions, and make it harder for them to bounce back from challenges. Oceans take in and release carbon dioxide, which helps control the climate. If we lose the ocean, it can make climate change worse, leading to more extreme weather. The beautiful views and beaches by the sea make people want to visit and live in coastal places. If the ocean is gone, fewer people visit, property values drop, and life isn't as nice in coastal towns. Oceans have fish that give us important protein, and we need to fish responsibly to keep the ocean healthy. If we lose the ocean, we might catch too many fish, hurt the ocean, and not have enough food, which can affect our food supply worldwide. The ocean is like a big classroom for learning and doing experiments, helping us understand science and nature. If we lose the ocean, it's harder to learn and discover things, which can slow down science and caring for the environment. Thank you all folks for tuning in today. Don't forget to join us next time. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to our channel.